Today's a very sad day. As you can see by the title, Susie's officially on the chopping block. We're gonna be putting her completely back to stock. I don't drive the car. In the last 4 or 5 months, I've probably driven it twice to work. Susie deserves to get driven. If you guys want to buy her, you guys have about 2 weeks from the time this video goes live to give me an offer on my Instagram right here. I have a number in my heart. If you guys don't match that number, I'm just gonna be straight up. It is our last cold start with the SP1R exhaust. It's gonna hurt my soul. It's my favorite exhaust of all time. SP1R makes the best exhaust. Hopefully, maybe we can get them to make something custom for a GTR and our next car. I'm gonna miss the BMW chimes. All right, y'all. We almost taking it off, officially. Woo. Fat ass cannons. Woo. Beautiful SP1R. It's a little dirty. We gonna clean her up though. And she gonna be just brand new. It is for sale. Excuse my hair. I know I look like a Philly cheesesteak, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
You look like an extra on the Titanic.
Chee wee wees. Exhaust is officially off, so let's come peep it. Again, it is for sale. Tap into my Instagram. If you guys are interested, you probably have about 2 weeks since this video is posted. But if it is later that for some reason and you're just now watching it, still feel free to tap into my Instagram right here and see if it's still available, because you know sometimes stuff does sit. It hasn't hit me that this car is is leaving yet, you know? So I'm not crying yet, but when that tow truck comes, I probably will be. This is the car that started the channel, so I'm really hoping that this isn't the car that gets away from me, but life happens. You gotta be an adult, you gotta make adult decisions, and YouTube ain't really working out for me, as you guys can see. Now we're tasked with the job to get that big ass exhaust around the GTR and onto the Supra with no casualties. I don't know why Toyota or BMW decided to make their exhaust all one piece, the same size as the car, but they did, and this shit's heavy as hell. Oh my, bro, this shit is like 200 pounds. Bro, I feel like I'm lifting Maui from Moana.
I hope you hit the light and that shit fucking breaks. Just for the views. Bro, you're scraping it.
I don't give a fuck. I can't wait to hear how this sounds. Shit looks ass, bro. Now that it looks like that with that stupid ass exhaust on, I almost want it to leave at this point. Like, that shit is dog water. But we're gonna see how great this stock exhaust sounds again. It's still gonna be probably pretty loud because it still has a downpipe on it. It's too much work for me. It's not really worth it to remove the downpipe. I'm not losing too much money with that on there. I have the stock parts for the new owner. Sounds like ass.
That shit's ass.
This is not my car anymore, bro. They could have this shit.
What about that one?
This one?
Yeah.
I'm not a Honda guy.
Oh, okay.
We just revved it. Oh my. Just listen for yourselves. Bro, this shit, it sound like you dropped 19 ravioli cans at Stater Brothers. Now the next weekend, peep Susie. Looking dumb as shit with her ass tooted up. Susie's been a pain in my ass this last few weeks, honestly, trying to, you know, get rid of the car, dealing with dealerships. I have found a car. Oh shit, I'm finna crash on the dead homies. This just fell. I have found a car that I wanted to, you know, do a little swoopty with Susie. You know, we have a fresh start, but the dealership was like, no, we can't take that car on a trade-in. It's too much money. I'm like, what the fuck? So apparently that dealership was broke as fuck. As you can see, we got two tires back there. One of them is bald as shit, balder than fucking YK Osiris, and the other one's got a fat ass nail in it. So we're heading to the tire shop right now to get the bald one replaced and to see if they can patch up that other tire. And lucky me, I get to be the one that has to pay for all that. I don't even know what day it is anymore in this vlog, but it's been a couple days. Actually, I think it's only been one day since the last time y'all seen me. We did end up getting the tires fixed and patched up for Susie. So the last step, also Skylar's not starting. Fuck, everything's broken. Anyways, the last step to get Susie up out of here is the wing. We finally got her back, boys. And she looking good. We're gonna go ahead, install the wing back on the car. Shout out to Dustin, good looking to Dustin and his uncle for hooking it up. Getting the wing back presentable, so it looks good, so we can go ahead and put her back on the car, because I couldn't ship the car off or sell the car with holes in the hatch, so the wing has to go with the car, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not paying to get it filled and refinished, you know what I'm saying? That don't make sense to me.
Weakest pops I've ever heard out of this fucking Supra.
That shit's so ass, bro. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put on the wing, or attempt to anyways. I know we're gonna have to cut these bolts that I have that were donated to me by a really nice store with the Dremel, just to cut it down, because I already tried putting it down and it's too long, but you know, we're gonna make it work. And this is the last step. Bro, it's so quiet. Car sounds like dog shit. And the car hard as fuck though, bro. The wing is sick. Yo, did you get a good peep of it? Yo, like, damn. Yeah, I was just telling Dustin, like, if I didn't sell the exhaust yet, I might have been like, all right, never mind, y'all. But now the car sounds like complete shit, and I don't even want to drive it because the shit sounds like ass. But peep that ass though. That shit looks good as fuck.
Like, peep the side profile. Yeah, but the camera is not doing it justice at all. Is that the Hemi? Is that D? Hey, this Porsche hard too. I think that's the Hemi over there.